Hey, BBQ Rando here. Hey, it's time to check out a special fountain from the Southwest from TNT called Pistole Pete. Now, you can see TNT always advertises the glow fuse. I don't know about you guys. I don't really notice this too much, but maybe it glows, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But what I do like about this, coming from Arizona, this is kind of what we have. I wear one of these every day. There's my hat. I go to work in a covered wagon. It's called a Chevy. No, we're good. And let's see down here. We got emit showers of spark. Oh. Place on level surface. Well, guys, don't hold it in your hand. Come on. Duh. But let's do this here. This is my favorite. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Light fuse and get away! So, we're going to bring Pistole Pete over to the launch pad. We're heading this way. Yahoo! We'll be right back. Yeah. All right, let's listen. We made it to the launch pad. And Pistole Pete, tell you what, he's one of the sheriffs on the ranch here at BBQ Rando Nation. See what we got here. I've been wanting to check this guy out. Oh, of course. There we go. Safe and sane, baby. Woo! Whoa! Pyro smell. Uh-oh. I'll take it. BBQ. No, scratch that. TNT me.